Hi, Michael McKillican, Sutton, West Coast of Nanaimo. I generally do a monthly report comparing from the month last year to the month this year. So April statistics came out, 104 homes sold, 104 units sold, single family in Nanaimo. And the previous year, same time, 122, so we're down 15% in sales volume, which in my opinion is there's just a lack of inventory. Again, that's my opinion. The average home in 2019 in April was $586,595. Last year, same time, $553,352. So it's up 6% in average home price. So I believe that there's a lack of inventory. Buyers are still here, and there's an increase at 6% for April 2019. So the market is getting better, you guys. Hold tight. Looking good for the spring and hopefully the summer. Michael McKillican, Sutton, West Coast of Nanaimo, and that's your market update for 2019, April.